Today we are going to talk about John Dewey's and William James's educational philosophy, Pragmatism. You are probably wondering, what is pragmatism and what does it have to do with education? Well, pragmatism is a theoretical philosophy that reality is based upon experience and interactions with others, nature, and or things. In other words, we gain knowledge through hands-on activities and social interactions in groups. Pragmatism also coincides that reality is therefore subject to change and is relative. A prime example is technology. Technology is constantly changing to become more powerful, faster, and smarter. Like technology, our knowledge is constantly changing.
The founding fathers of pragmatism are John Dewey and William James. John Dewey, a professor of philosophy and pedagogy at the University of Chicago and professor of philosophy at Columbia University, perhaps had the greatest influence on American pragmatism. Dewey once stated,
"Thought is the discernment of the relation between what we try to do and what happens in consequence. No experience having a meaning is possible without some element of thought. We simply do something, and when it fails, we do something else and keep on trying until we hit upon something which works. And then we adopt that method as a rule of thumb measure in subsequent procedures."
This is a prime example of what pragmatism is all about: experience. To learn, we do, and if we mess up, we try again. He believed that cooperative learning was most effective. Children who worked in small groups built up strong social backgrounds.
I hope someday.
William James believed the same as Dewey, emphasizing the centrality of experience. There are no absolutes, only an ever-changing universe.
An ideal application for this philosophy can be found in any elementary or kindergarten class. At this age, teachers like to use small objects to teach basic math problems such as addition and subtraction. An example would be that a teacher gives each of his or her students 10 M&Ms. The students are then asked to take away or eat 3 of the M&Ms. Afterwards, the teacher asks the students how many are left. The students are able to count how many M&Ms they have left to answer the question. This lesson may also teach the students multiplication and division by putting the M&Ms in groups. This relates to pragmatism because the students are gaining knowledge through their hands-on experiment. By having a visual aid they can physically touch and manipulate, the students can learn by counting the M&Ms, taking them away, grouping them together, adding them, or subtracting them. Sup, girl?